Welcome to Healthy Ways and stay tuned until the end of the video, as you will receive 3 bonus ebooks which can help you to improve your health in many ways. There are valid justifications to drink espresso and there are a couple of reasons not to. This video is for those that are searching for motivations to continue drinking it. 1. Cut the pain. 2 cups of espresso can cut post-exercise muscle torment by up to 48%. From the Journal of Pain. 2. Increment your fiber admission. Some fermented espresso speaks to a commitment of up to 1.8 grams of fiber of the suggested admission of 20 to 38 grams. From the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. 3. Security against cirrhosis of the liver. Obviously, you could simply eliminate the liquor admission. From the Archives of Internal Medicine, Connect. Another later investigation additionally indicated espresso's liver-ensuring benefits. Interface. One more examination indicated that both espresso and decaffeinated espresso brought down the liver protein levels of espresso consumers. This examination was distributed in the Hepatology Journal. 4. Brought down danger of type 2 diabetes. The individuals who expended at least 6 cups for each day had a 22% lower danger of diabetes. From the Archives of Internal Medicine, Interface. An ongoing audit of research led by Harvard's Dr. Straight to the Point, who demonstrated that the danger of type 2 diabetes diminishes by 9% for every day-by-day mug of espresso expended. Decaf espresso diminished the hazard by 6% per cup. 5. Brought down danger of Alzheimer's malady. There is impressive proof that caffeine may secure against Alzheimer's sickness. From the European Journal of Neurology, Connect. An ongoing report additionally confined the mixes in simmered espresso that might be liable for forestalling the development of the mind plaque accepted to cause the malady. 6. Diminishes self-destruction hazard and depression. A 10-year investigation of 86,000 female attendants shows a decreased danger of self-destruction in the espresso consumers. From the Archives of Internal Medicine, Connect. Another examination directed by the Harvard School of Public Health found that ladies who drink at least 4 cups of espresso were 20% less inclined to experience the ill effects of misery. 7. Assurance against Parkinson's. Individuals with Parkinson's illness are less inclined to be smokers and espresso consumers than their solid kin. Simply ensure you don't get lung malignant growth in transit. From the Archives of Neurology, even more up-to-date investigate out of Sweden uncovered that drinking espresso diminishes the danger of Parkinson's in any event, when hereditary components become possibly the most important factor. Interface. One more examination found that caffeine joined with EHT, a compound found in espresso beans, gave defensive advantages to rodents that were hereditarily inclined to creating Parkinson's. 8. Espresso consumers have less danger of heart illness. Korean scientists found that review members who devoured 3 to 5 cups of espresso daily were less inclined to give the starting indications of coronary illness. The investigation. Other dietary elements ought to likewise be noted, as Koreans ordinarily have an unexpected eating regimen in comparison to do Westerners. A later report directed in Brazil found that those that devour in any event 3 cups of espresso daily will in general grow less calcification in their coronary courses. A recent report affirmed that espresso doesn't cause solidifying of the courses even among the investigation members who drank as much as 25 cups of espresso for each day. 9. Espresso consumers have more grounded DNA. An examination distributed in the European Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that espresso consumers have DNA with more grounded trustworthiness, since the white platelets of espresso consumers had far less occasions of unconstrained DNA strand breakage. Study theoretical. 10. Lower risk of multiple sclerosis. Ongoing examination indicated that at any rate 4 cups of espresso daily may help secure against the turn of events and reoccurrence of MS. It is accepted that the espresso forestalls the neural irritation that potentially prompts the infection creating. The investigation was distributed in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery and Psychiatry. 11. Espresso lessens colorectal malignant growth hazard. Indeed, even moderate utilization of espresso can lessen the chances of creating colorectal malignant growth by 26%. This defensive advantage increments with more utilization. Thank you for watching. As promised, you may download the ebooks from the links in description below. Healthy ways. Subscribe for daily health tips. You may also like some of our other videos here.